you guys, and welcome to another video on my channel. In this video, I am going to speak in Spanish to my Italian friend. And let's see how much I can understand. And then she will tell you about her experience with learning English and how she got to speak English. Are you ready? Yes, we are. Okay, so hola. Hola!
Ciao!
Hola mi amiga! ¿Cómo estás?
Io sto bene, tu?
Molto bene.
Meno male.
Esta es italiano, no es español. Pero, tú puedes entender, puedes aprender cómo se hace mandi. Tú puedes. No hay problema.
Posso imparare come si cucina il mandi?
Ah, sì?
Sì, forse.
¿Sí qué? No.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Sì.
Ah, ok. Tal vez, sí. Pero a ti no te gusta cocinar.
No, non mi piace cucinare.
¿Por qué?
Perché non provo mai. Però se ci provo mi piace.
Ah, como yo. Solamente me gusta comer. No me gusta.
Sì, non mi piace mangiare, non mi piace cucinare.
Sì, no mi gusta cocinar.
Però
Sì.
ci sono persone che cucinano per me.
Ah, exacto, como yo. Okay, so what did I say? I asked her if she likes cooking, and she said no, she doesn't like it, and she just, as long as there are people who are cooking, all is good. Why she needs to cook? And same as me, I don't like to cook. I like to eat, and my mom always cooks for me. Una otra pregunta. Antes yo empecé con las preguntas de inglés. ¿Qué te gusta hacer en tu tiempo libre?
Cosa mi piace fare nel tempo libero?
Sí, tú puedes entender. Sí.
Mi piace guardare film.
Guardar film, mir películas.
Movie, yes.
Sí, sí, películas, sí.
Leggere libri.
Yo también. Sí.
Poi
¿Qué más?
mangiare.
Mangiare. Ok.
Oh, giocare a pallavolo.
Giocare a pallavolo. Ah, la verdad.
Sí.
¿Te gusta? Bollo mano en español.
Pollomano?
Sí, which is volleyball.
Volleyball,
Sí.
yes.
Ah,
Gioco
high
pallavolo.
five. Sí. Estás estupenda. Una chica estupenda, muy chica estupenda.
E a te cosa piace fare?
Say, I didn't understand.
Cosa ti piace fare nel tempo libero?
Ok, me gusta mucho leer, como ello, como tú. Y también me gusta mucho hacer ejercicios y jugar deportes y también viajar.
Bello.
Y sí, grabar videos como esto.
Bello.
Grazie mille. Okay, my family are making mansaf.
No, mandi.
They're making mandi, and I can't ask my friend questions about English.
It's fine.
Okay, so tell us, what is your advice to the people who want to speak good English?
I have to answer in English?
Yes, please.
Okay. I suggest to practice it. So just talk in English with people, and you will learn while talking.
Okay.
Don't focus too much on the grammar, because I think that if you try, you will make people understand you, and that's it.
Okay. So how did you encourage yourself to speak? Like, when was the first time you tried to speak it?
While I went in Erasmus, and all of my friends were speaking only in English, so I had to talk in English because there wasn't another language I could use with them. So they were talking to me in English, and I was just talking, even if my English is not grammatically correct.
Nice, exactly. That's very
just,
important.
go.
Very important. Do not focus on the grammar. Don't care about mistakes. just speak.
Yes.
Yeah. Was it really your first time to speak there?
Yes, it was my first time in a context where English was the main languages. So the main language. So yes.
Okay, I had to move because my family are so annoying. They were talking in the kitchen, and I don't know if you managed to hear anything. So, was it really your first time, or before
learned
when you
English
were in
before.
Italy? Yeah.
I learned English before in Italy, but there wasn't a situation where English was the main language to talk. Like yes, in school, but it's not that serious. Like in school you can talk in English during the English class, but then if you don't know a sentence, you will talk in Italian. So in Erasmus was the first time I must talk in English to let people understand me. Yes.
So that helped you a lot.
Yes, a
Okay.
lot.
And you mentioned one time something about movies, like you like to watch movies?
Yes.
Yes.
That's why, because in Italy, like in the high school, I didn't study English, I studied German. So when I went in Erasmus, I wasn't studying English since at least 8 years. So I was a bit scared, but what helps me a lot is that I'm used to watch movies and listening to song in English. So when I went in Erasmus, it wasn't like the first time I was listening to people talking in
Okay.
English.
Yes.
I was used to it.
Yes. Yeah, because my students always ask me about music and about movies, and they're always like, do I have to watch movies? Do I have to listen to music? I'm
It's
like, if you
useful.
like it,
Yes.
if you like it, why not? But also, I think doing it from a young age is really important. If you
Yes.
have started doing it at a young age, that's good.
Yes, of
Maybe when
course.
you're older and you try to integrate it and you don't like it, it's going to be
It's
a bit
different.
problematic.
Yes, it's more difficult.
Yeah. Okay, so pieces of advice is you said speak, don't worry about mistakes,
Don't worry about mistakes. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about pronunciation.
pronunciation,
Just
grammar,
try.
just speak,
Yes.
and also try to listen a lot, right?
Yes, try to
Whether
listen a
if
lot.
it's songs, like movies,
Exactly.
podcasts, whatever.
Yes.
Yeah, which is something I always tell them. It's like always, like all my channel is filled with videos just about this.
Yes.
But they don't listen to me and they don't watch. Yeah.
It is
Anyways, thank you so much. You are
you.
amazing. Yes. And yeah, people I am showing today are camera shy. Okay. Bye, people. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. See you in another video. Bye bye.